it, Maeve? Is it Santa? Yeah, Santa. You gonna talk to him? What you gonna do? Hello. That's a loud noise. You gonna get that thumb in your mouth? Hey, Mavie? Mavie, you gonna get your hand in your mouth? Where's your thumb? Hello? Hello, how are you? You wanna see Santa? Yeah. You're telling Santa off. Are you cross at him? Are you cross at Santa? Why? That's a loud squeal, miss. That's a loud squeal. You gonna laugh? You gonna do a giggle, giggle, giggle? Giggle, giggle, giggle? You're talking to the camera. Yes. What is it, mate? Oh, there's your hand. That's that exciting thing that keeps popping up. Hey? Oh. Are you making yourself heard? Ooh. What about hello, Maeve? Hello. Hello. Hello, Santa. Say hello, Santa. No? No hello, Santa? Here he is. Hello. Hi, Santa. Oh, there's his eyes. You see his face? Hello. How are you? How are you? Hello, Maeve. How are you? Hey? Hello, Santa. Yeah. Hello, Santa. Hello, Santa. Yes? Ah! What did Santa do? What did Santa do? Oh! You want to hold his foot? Yeah. You got his foot? You want him to sing? There you go. Is that good? Who's that? Ooh. Bye-bye, Mavie. Ta-ta, Mavie.